Namaskaram all. Bit delayed, I think. My sorry for the delays, and we can start the live stream now. Let us start with the three ohms. Om, Om, Om. So, Namaskaram. So, first of all, we'll look at how Nifty move. Okay. So tomorrow onwards, we are entering into a next cycle of sun trend. So last sun trend started previously before 2 weeks before. So I think around four, the last sun trend started. I think. Okay, from 7th November, last sun trend started. Let us see how it has performed so far, and as per our expectation, how it has gone. So this is how the market has moved from 7th November. So it has moved from somewhere around 25, 425, almost 500 points. The last sun trend has moved. Let us see how our prediction was. Okay, actually, no, yes, no negative planets were there, and actually, we predicted the market to go down since the Sun is connected with the Saturn also. But okay, the market has moved in the last sun trend, and it is not in line with our prediction. Our prediction is market is supposed to go down, but okay, it has not gone down. It has gone up. So sometimes it happens like that. We give some predictions, and market may not move as we predicted. Okay, so this is how the market moved in the last sun trend. But there was a good up movement in the last sun trend, and I think the market is connected with Jupiter. Maybe the market connection with Saturn and Rahu didn't work that much. I mean, especially with that Sun connecting with the Rahu through Jupiter is not worked that much as we expected. So mostly it was in uptrend only. Okay. Let us see how that related stocks moved, and mostly but we have given for certain related stocks we have given uptrend only because based on the movement we have committed that. We can see on November 7th itself, Jindal Steel moved very rashly since that Saturn connection. Can see the impact of the planets through this verification. See, we have whatever the stocks we have discussed in the video before that video. I mean, today is 19, I think. 19, 12, around 5th, I have discussed with you all on this particular topic. And that time I have suggested you Coal India, Jindal Steel. These stocks I have suggested with you since Sun is connected with Saturn also. That is steel and coal. These kind of stocks will move well. So okay, it has moved very well. That you can see in that our list almost a very good around 5 to 10% movement in many of these stocks. So you can see the movement in all that energy related stocks also. So energy, steel, in these sectors there is a good movement. Jindal, we can check JSW Steel also. Was not that much movement. But energy related stocks like Coal India and all those things, all those stocks has moved very well. Okay. So let us go into that coming sun trend. Coming sun trend, we predict the market to go down in the sun trend, coming sun trend also. Okay, most probably market is expected to return from this point. Okay, yes, because all the connected sun is connected with the Saturn. The Saturn is the retro Saturn, and again through the star it is connected with Mercury also. So the planet houses are not that much for the supportive of market movement. So at least for the time being we expect the market to go down. Especially the bank Nifty will not that much support to the Nifty movement, and it will go down, I think. So, but you can wait for the market to go down because, okay, you can check that day movement, and in the day movement, if there is any negativity in the day movement, you can wait. Or sometimes the conjunctions will not work as we think. So our prediction is market will go down. So you better be cautious on this kind of markets because many connected planets are there. Jupiter, okay, Jupiter, when Venus and okay, Rahu and Saturn are in conjunction, and when it comes Sun and Venus is in conjunction. Sun not Sun. Once it moves, there will be conjunction on Mercury, Mars. All those conjunctions are supported to be there. Okay, supposed to be there. Good, good. Okay. So Jupiter, Jupiter gets connected with many planets like Venus, Saturn, Rahu. So it's not that much easy to predict this thing. So it will go up and down, and very hard to be in line with this kind of setups. So better be cautious with this market, and we cautiously approach this market, and can check how the banks are. Nifty Bank also we can see how it performing. Okay. Okay. Nifty is actually in the current setup. Bank Nifty is in a very strong setup, and once it closes before the day of 58,500, we can try to shop the Bank Nifty. The target of around up to 57,100, or somewhere around 57,400. You can take the target and you can short the Nifty only if it is on the day basis it closes before 58,500. Okay, as of now it is strong, and once it closes below 58,500, we can plan short entry. Okay. So let me recall last sun trend, how we have predicted and how the market performed. That we have discussed with you. And last sun trend, we have predicted some up movement in some stocks like Coal India, Jindal Steel, that you can refer in my previous video that I have talked on the 5th November, I think. You can check that video and you can see that. So stocks performed very well as we expected, but the Nifty somehow it is not worked out. And regarding moon trend, regarding sun trend for the coming week, the sun trend is supposed to be down only. And how we can plan our trade, just now I have explained with you. Better you can take conventional trades on Bank Nifty than Nifty, because in these setups, Bank Nifty is expected to give good reflection of planetary movements than the Nifty. So, and I expect more movement in Bank Nifty than Nifty on either way, mostly on the downside. So, this we have discussed. And regarding the stocks, we can check which are the stocks related to our setup that we can expect. So this sun trend will span up to December, I think, December 3rd or 4th. So, and so mostly I expect this Saturn related stocks up movement to continue. It is temporarily it is coming down, but I expect that all the Saturn related stocks to go up. Gale, and what we can say, Jindal Steel, JSW Steel, Jindal Steel is going up, and I think Jindal Steel will go up also. Also, Jindal Steel will go up. So I'm repeating the stocks that you have to focus. It is mostly oil stocks. You can check BPCL, and BPCL I expect it to go up only. Maybe around maybe some 1 week it will move in sideways. We can note the down dates like 27, 20, 29. On these days, all oil related and steel related stocks and energy related stocks, I expect a huge movement. Okay. Okay, I will just repeat the sectors again: oil, steel, and energy related sectors. I expect a good movement, and also banking sector. Only banks are in per moment. Based on some support resistance, you can take the entry. I am for short entry, but that short entry should come in that charts also. Axis Bank, it has started to come down, and Axis Bank, you have to wait to close before previous day low, like 1250 levels, and they can expect it to reach near 1213 these levels. That's the first target. And if it falls more, it may reach around this level, like 1166. Okay. Let us check ICC bank also. Actually, ICC is coming up. Okay. Windows India, NDSP. Okay. Nifty stocks also we can note. Okay. BSC 2000. HDFC Life. Okay, Bajaj Finance, you can look for the opportunity to short. It looks good for shorting. Yes, Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Fincel also looks good for shorting. Getting certain related stocks, I said it is good to buy. And Mercury related stock, I asked, in my view, it is better for shorting. You can short based on your levels. Okay. Once your short is confirmed in the Bank Nifty short is confirmed, then you can, if at all if you want, we can take short positions in futures or put in these finance and bank related stocks. So let us move on to that supposed trends on the coming week. And today, according to me, is a downtrend. And let us see how it market moves. So market is going in sideways, and maybe after a period of time, it may come down. I think maybe up to 1 o'clock, it will move around this place. Okay, maybe in the second half, it will take the definitive downtrend because today both the first and second half there is no change in the planets. As I said, it's a cluster of planets. The same setup. So it is pretty hard to get a direction towards this. I would say all the intraday traders to better stay away from market from some 1 or 2 days because there is no clear cut trend is there. Some push pull is there throughout. So mostly your stop loss will be down. So better be cautious with this kind of markets. Very tough markets ahead for the next 1 week. Mostly mixed trends inside the day, like up down, up down, up down. That's how it comes. So it's very hard to fix a trend and stay down. And overall trend, I expect it to down. So what may happen is market will come down and it will take some pullback, some minor pullback, like kind of dead cat bounce, and it will try to come down and then a small bounce back. Like that, that overall trend down will be managed, but that in between pullbacks, some violent pullbacks, I'm expecting. Okay, so basically this is how. And tomorrow, okay, and Tuesday is the next expiry is on 25th November. So On that day, I'm expecting market is a flat only. So usually some kind of a flat down market in the first half, and in the second half, some kind of up movement is possible since the connected voice changes. So mostly a flat expiry I expect on 25th November. So I have covered the subject mostly whatever I wanted to cover. If you have any doubts, you can ask. So trading with predicting the markets with Sri Dhrishti and trading the markets with Sri Dhrishti is not a kind of what to say on-off mode. Like it is like over a period of time you will get to develop some kind of understanding so that it is not like that touch and go like up down something like that. We cannot go like that. We have to over a period, because in the class when you are taking in the class, if as a first class, it is very hard to teach the understanding in the class. We can set up you can we can teach you a kind of thumb rule, and we can teach you the basics of the astrology, and over the period of time it will develop with you, and you have to again you have to apply your own some kind of checks and controls if at all your predictions doesn't align properly due to various reasons. So that's what I wanted to discuss with you. I think all the core subjects I wanted to discuss with you have covered. And again, if you have any doubts, we can take the doubts. Otherwise, we can wind up. Yes. Thank you. Oh.